Hello, I'm in a 2010 Mercedes CLS 300 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side we'll go down and find this red handle which you have to pull on fairly hard till you hear a loud pop noise, and then that's the safety releasing that keeps the hood latched. It's just a safety feature so it doesn't come off while you're driving or somebody mess in there while you're parked. And then most vehicles, there's a lever towards the middle. It's right here on this one, so I'm kind of pinching and then lifting. So I'm going to pinch and lift. There we go. This is what that part looked like. That released it and it hooked on right there. If you're having issues, you want to make sure all the cables are tight and connected properly. Possibly any debris or WD-40 needed for here. All that cleaned up, sorted out. Sometimes if like your hood's off alignment or something else is bent, you might need to straighten those out as well for it to work better. And then worst case, this is pretty affordable to replace, as well as the cables if needed. But otherwise I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.